Hello class, I created the following video to help with problems 9 and 10. Problem number 9, it says if the linear correlation between two variables is negative, what can be said about the slope of the regression line? That line would be negative as well, right? So if the correlation between the variables is negative, the slope should be negative. Check answer, it says correct. Problem number 10. All right, so they give us a regression equation. Looks like it describes the relation between the club head speed and the distance the ball travels. So y is the distance it travels, x is the club head speed. So they say predict the distance of a golf ball if the club head speed is 100 miles per hour. So what they're really saying is x is 100 miles per hour. So I'm going to replace x with 100. So I pull out my trusty calculator and I begin to put in the equation. Whoops, my calculator looked funny there. There we go. And I'm going to enter the equation exactly as I see it. And then I replace x with 100. Right, here is my x, but we're told x is 100 because the club head speed was 100 miles per hour. And then I press enter, and it says round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to enter 260.8. 260.8 yards. We check our answer, and I get a good job. Next, it says, what's the residual? So remember, the residual, I think we subtract the observed minus the expected. So the observed, so suppose the observed distance was 265, right? So the residual would be the observed, 265, minus what was expected, right? According to our model, we would expect 260.8. And I mistyped the 260, right? Here we go. Make that a 5, right? So the observed was 265 yards. The expected is 260.8 yards. The residual is the observed minus the expected, which gives us 4.2. So I'll type in 4.2. I check my answer, and we get the good job. I hope that helps with these problems. Thank you for watching.